Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist at California RV Specialist. So I just made it back from my Grand Design trip, and I just come in to see what's going on in the shop and check with the guys. Here's a Grand Design Reflection, a 31 MB, excuse me. And so Terry is actually was just showing me some pictures that he's going to send to me, so I'll put those in an album later. But this was the gentleman that basically didn't drop the fifth wheel on the truck, but he had a kingpin that was stored in the back. And when it was stored in the back, it ended up, it popped up somehow and it hit the bottom of the screw cover, cracked the whole front cap. So Terry's not finished with it yet, but he's just getting in here and starting to put stuff reassembled. He's done all his body work and he's done his base on his paint, and then he's getting ready to come back and finish it up. So stay tuned for more. But if you didn't know that we did, minor paint and body here at the shop, just to give you an example that we do, it is kind of minor. So like we won't paint like a whole sidewall or a cap, but if you have like some fiberglass damage, or you crack something, or you ruin a compartment door, or done some areas on the body, that's kind of like the stuff we'll take care of. If it's something bigger than that, we'll let you know if it's beyond our norm to do it. And we'll also get you referred out to a local body shop that's near us. All right, well, thanks so much for watching. And this is Dustin and Terry, your RV specialist. Terry, give me a thumbs up. All righty, thanks again for watching.